ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Puli Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
National President jangka National People's Party Conrad Kongkal Sangma. Haka arpu pratarik ujeliau arajar arpu sau ulayatu bagi ladon kumah nyau haduk perangut kinong yalam jangka parti kibalapan tiket naga NPP ban Ïakhun ya ka election siteng samoi na Gambegre constituency. Hadian kajing nok kam jang u MLA barim u Saleng Sangma u balasya ajit kum u MP jangka Tura haga election Lok Sabha ka barang syudep long shen. Haga jing ekran bat kilat patai kubor u Conrad Sangma ulayatu ru. Ba kam shim ladon kano kajing per jing mot ne kajing paj hapo ka National People's Party. Shushu ulayatu badang ars ngi mensua ka parti kelasyong ya kajing lang ban perkhat ya kani ka kam bat baro ki balai shim menta ha kajing lang kidon bet ka wei kajing mot ba ka parti kan sa shim ya karai.
There is no division in the party nor any division in the family. In fact, about a couple of days or 3-4 days back, we have met, and in the meeting, everybody has, all the party leaders who are contesting, who want to contest, and the names of people whose names are doing the round, even though they may not want to contest, or they may want to contest as different issue, but their names are doing the round. So whoever's name was doing a round, we have consulted everybody, we have talked to everybody, and everybody has confirmed that they are with the party, and whatever decision the party takes, that will be the final decision, and they will abide by that decision. So the party has taken a unanimous decision in this, and now the process of giving the ground report from the block level and district level and the regional level is underway, and once that process is complete, then the state committee will recommend accordingly. But let me again clarify that there is no question of any kind of division. We are very much clear that we will work together as a family, and more importantly as a political party, and all the names that are doing the rounds will work together to fight this particular election. I don't know exactly how many names, but if you ask me all the plus and minus, there will be approximately about 7 to 8 names that are in the round. That does not mean that all 7 or 8 of them are actually campaigning in the ground, but people are taking their names, and so all those people, we have talked to them, and everybody has given me the assurance that whatever the party decides, we are with the party.